Imagine the implications of receiving a signal from outer space. Could it be aliens trying to contact us? The cosmos is humming with a symphony of signals, and recently, NASA detected a curious one that has piqued our interest. This mysterious interstellar whisper could be a game changer, a sign that we are not alone in this vast universe. It raises thrilling and chilling questions alike. Let's delve into the history of our search for these signals. Our quest to detect these signals began with the invention of the radio telescope in 1937. The first working radio telescope was built by a man named Grote Reber, a radio engineer with a passion for astronomy. Unlike optical telescopes, which allow us to see celestial bodies, radio telescopes let us listen to the cosmos. They pick up radio waves emitted by everything from stars and galaxies to nebulae and other celestial phenomena. In the decades following Reber's invention, radio telescopes have grown in complexity and size. They've become a crucial tool in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI. By scanning the skies for radio signals, scientists hope to pick up a transmission that doesn't come from a natural source, but from an intelligent civilization, somewhere in the vast reaches of space. The history of radio telescopes is filled with intriguing discoveries and tantalizing possibilities. They've allowed us to explore the universe in a whole new way, and who knows, maybe even pick up a message from our neighbors in the cosmos. One such signal that sparked significant interest was the WOW signal. In 1977, a signal so strong and peculiar was detected that it was simply labeled WOW. This signal, known as the WOW signal, burst onto the scene, captivating the minds of scientists and space enthusiasts alike. It was a signal like no other, a radio blast that lasted 72 seconds and then vanished, never to be heard again. Captured by the Big Ear Radio Observatory in Ohio, it bore the hallmarks of a potential message from an extraterrestrial civilization. The signal's intensity, duration, and frequency sparked widespread speculation. Was it a cosmic shout-out from an advanced alien civilization, or was it just a fluke, a blip in the data? For nearly 5 decades, the WOW signal has remained an enigma, a tantalizing hint of the possibility of life beyond Earth. Despite numerous attempts to detect a repeat signal, the WOW signal remains a one-off event, its origin unknown and unexplained. It's a cosmic mystery that continues to fuel our imagination and drive our quest to find out if we're alone in the universe. However, this isn't the only mysterious signal we've detected. Recent discoveries have revealed signals originating from the heart of our galaxy. These mysterious signals, unlike anything we've seen before, have sent a ripple of excitement through the scientific community. Picture this, a cosmic whisper breaking through the silence of space. A message so subtle and complex that it defies our current understanding. These signals are a puzzle, a conundrum wrapped in layers of cosmic noise and galactic interference. They're like the murmurs of a distant crowd, heard from a great distance, almost drowned out by the background chatter of the universe. And yet, they're unmistakably there, persistent and perplexing. Astronomers face an uphill battle in their attempts to decode these signals. They're grappling with a myriad of challenges, from the sheer distance the signals have traveled to the interference caused by cosmic dust and stars. Each signal is a tiny piece of a vast cosmic jigsaw puzzle that we're only just beginning to assemble. So what could be causing these signals? The answer could change our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Theories abound, from pulsars and neutron stars to galactic center radio transients. Pulsars, rapidly spinning neutron stars, emit beams of electromagnetic radiation that can be detected as pulses when their beams cross our line of sight. Neutron stars, the remnants of supernova explosions, are known to emit strong radio waves. Galactic center radio transients, on the other hand, are mysterious objects near the center of the Milky Way that emit bursts of radio waves. These are plausible explanations for the signals we've detected, but none of them quite fit the bill. The signals are peculiar, exhibiting characteristics that don't entirely align with what we know about these cosmic phenomena. It's like trying to solve a jigsaw puzzle with pieces from different sets. Our current technology has allowed us to pick up these signals, yet it falls short when it comes to deciphering them. The universe is vast, complex, and teeming with phenomena yet to be discovered. It's a humbling reminder of how much we have yet to learn. But what if the signals aren't radio waves at all? Extraterrestrial civilizations might communicate using optical signals, neutrinos, or even gravitational waves. Let's delve into these intriguing alternatives. Optical signals, essentially light signals, could be used to transmit information across vast distances of space. These signals, though potentially difficult to detect amidst the bright glow of a star, could contain complex messages from alien civilizations. Then we have neutrinos, subatomic particles that barely interact with matter. They can pass through just about anything, making them fantastic for transmitting information. However, detecting these elusive particles is quite a challenge, but also an opportunity for scientists to push the boundaries of our current technology. Lastly, we come to gravitational waves. These ripples in the fabric of space-time, first predicted by Albert Einstein, could be manipulated by advanced civilizations to send messages. Detecting these waves requires incredibly sensitive equipment, and interpreting them, even more sophisticated technology. Each of these methods presents its own set of challenges, but they also offer exciting possibilities. They broaden our understanding of the universe and our place within it. But what happens if we do confirm contact? Contact with extraterrestrial civilizations could have profound implications for humanity. Imagine for a moment a world where we are no longer alone in the universe. This realization could send shockwaves through our societies, causing us to reevaluate our place in the cosmos. Religion, for instance, might face significant upheaval. Many religious doctrines are centered around humanity's unique relationship with divinity. If we discover we're not alone, these doctrines may need to be reinterpreted or even rewritten. And what about technological advancement? Contact with a more advanced civilization could result in a technological leapfrog, catapulting us into a new era of scientific discovery. But there's a flip side to this coin. If the extraterrestrial civilization is hostile, we could find ourselves in a conflict we are ill-prepared to handle. We must also consider the ethical implications. How do we treat these new neighbors? Can we ensure the same mistakes made in our own history of exploration and colonization are not repeated on a cosmic scale? Looking to the future, what are our prospects for detecting and understanding these signals? The future of our search for extraterrestrial signals is promising. Ongoing efforts are bringing us closer to deciphering the cosmic whispers. Advances in technology like the development of the Square Kilometre Array are poised to revolutionize our understanding of the universe. This next-generation telescope will enhance our ability to detect and interpret signals from the great cosmic expanse. So, as we continue our search, let's recap what we've learned. From the history of radio telescopes to recent discoveries, we've covered a lot of ground. We trace the journey back to Grotto-Reber's pioneering work in the late 30s, delving into the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. And who could forget the intriguing wow signal of the late 70s, a tantalizing hint of potential alien communication that still baffles us today. We've also looked at the more recent mysterious signals, like those originating from the heart of our Milky Way galaxy, reminding us of the enormity of the universe and our quest to understand it. We explored possible explanations, from pulsars and neutron stars to galactic center radio transients, and the alternative communication methods that might be employed by advanced civilizations. We contemplated the profound implications of extraterrestrial contact, the potential for cooperation, advancement, or even conflict, and the exciting future prospects in our endless quest for understanding. As we ponder the possibility of contact with extraterrestrial civilizations, stay tuned for further exciting discoveries in the field of space exploration.